So, in the series of learning C programming, we are discussing some previous year GATE questions on functions. We have discussed 2 to 3 questions. In this video, we will discuss one more question, and this came in GATE 2016. Right? This question is example of both combination of call by value and call by reference. We will pass here they have passed 2 arguments, one argument as call by value and one argument as call by reference. So, better to first of all watch out that video. If you don't know call by value or call by reference, I have already uploaded that video. After that, you will come to this video, then you will get this question better, right? Now, before that, just want to tell you one thing. If you are preparing for GATE or will be preparing for GATE 2022 exam, then there is a good news for you. On Unacademy, if you want to purchase any subscription for GATE, that is for 6 months or above, then you will get it at a special price with 10% extra discount. Here, you will get 2 types of subscription plan, Plus and Iconic. What you will get in Plus, it's a basic plan to get you started. In this plan, you will get the best educators who will cover the entire syllabus for GATE, and interactive live classes would be there. You will get complete structured course and PDF, as well as with this live test would be conducted and some quiz will also be there. Plus, that what is there in Iconic one, all the features that you will get in Plus as well as some extra feature. So, with Iconic plan, you just take your GATE preparation to the next level. With what? A personal coach you will get, personalized test analysis, and as well as personalized doubt solving session would be there. If you have any doubt, you can ask into those sessions, and as well as you will get some study material for your preparation. So, you can select any subscription plan which is best for you according to your requirement. You can see the price detail over here on my screen, the regular price of that plan as well as after 10% discount. And one more thing, if you use my code JKL10, you will get extra 10% off on the already reduced prices. So, the detail you will find out in the link that I will put in the description box of this video. You can go and check out. So, now let me first note down that question here, and after that we will discuss that question, right? Let's see. We have one function that is f, and first of all, where the control will go when you start executing this thing, to the main function, right? So, memory would be allocated to this main function here. Now, in main we have I and j, 2 variable. One is I and one is j. I is having 5 and j is having value 10. You have to tell that what it will print after execution, after completing the execution, right? We are printing I plus j. Now, see, next line is, this is what? This is calling a function. But here, arguments, what you are passing in arguments? Address of I. So, this is what? When you are passing address, it means it is example of call by reference. This is just normal variable j. It is example of call by value. So, in one program only, one argument we are passing as call by reference and one argument we are passing as call by value. So, you have to be very careful while solving these type of questions, right? So, now whenever the control will go here, so now function call means it will go to the definition part of the function. So, now this function f, memory would be allocated to this function. Now, we are passing address of I. So, suppose address of I is 1000. We don't know the address, but I am just supposing address of I is 1000, address of j is 2000. So, now we are passing address of I, that is 1000 we are passing. So, to receive the address, what pointer variable should be there? That is why as a parameter we have declared one pointer variable, that is p. So, this p is pointer and it is accepting address of I, that is 1000. Now, j means 10 value would be passed. This is called by value. So, now it would pass 10. So, that is why int m, this is normal variable m, this is not pointer variable. So, in m we have 10. So, now see this p is pointing to here because it is having address of this I, right? So, now here we have, now in this function we have m is equal to m plus 5. So, now m becomes 10 plus 5, that is 15. Right? Asterisk p is equal to asterisk p plus m. Now see, whatever the right hand side of this equal to, first of all that would be evaluated and that value would be assigned to the left hand side of this equal to. So, asterisk p plus m, asterisk p means, p is this, asterisk p means this is indirection operator, value at 1000. So, value at 1000 is what? Because this is pointing to here, value at 1000 is what? 5. So, it means 5 plus m value is 15. See, we are in this function. So, here m value is 15, right? So 5 plus 15 is 20. So now this 20 would be assigned to asterisk p. Obviously asterisk p means value at this, that is this. So this would be updated, that is it becomes I becomes now 20. I hope you got this one. Now next line is return, where it is going to return simply where you have called this function here, and the function of this calling is done. Now next line is printf %d I plus j. Now we are in main function, so we are here now. So I plus j, I value is 20, j value is 10, so I plus j is 30. So it will print 30. I hope you got the working of this, and I hope you got the working of this call by value and call by reference. This is very simple. This tricky question, but very simple, right? So let me just run this and show you what output you are getting, 30 you are getting or not. So this was the question we have discussed. So let's run this and see what output you will get. See, it is printing 30, I plus j is 30. So I hope you got the working of this question, right? So that's it for this video now, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.